Here's what's left of Panama City.
I mean,
So there's pine
pines
trees.
and oaks.
They got some tar paper wrapped around there.
Wow, you can see.
This thick with trees.
It's a cleared field now.
She's already in the hotel.
He's in the hotel drinking coffee. That's what he was looking for.
This is just untamed destruction. This is the Chick-fil-A. I can't believe stood standing.
Car wash.
Yeah, I guess the car wash really did get cleaned away. That was a bad pun. Oh, it's a farm. No, sorry, it's a fam. It's the fam. Welcome to CVS fam.
Ripped all their shingles off. Well, north side's okay.
Here's some more destruction for you.
Ripped their whole tin roof off.
Oh yeah. Oh man, the poor church. Actually, I think it fared pretty good. Besides that power lines there.
It was flat.
Their steeple's gone.
Oh, their steeple got blown. Oh, no, the columns.
No, there's the steeple right there.
Right there. Oh no.
The lights are even gone. They're not even hanging there.
Yeah, they're on right there on the side of the road.
Oh my gosh. Oh man, the water tower's still there. I'm surprised.
Yeah, I was trying to find it earlier.
I figured it would have been, like lean over or something.
It made me lean in a little bit. Just can't tell.
Yeah, probably. I wonder if Smitty's is still there. I hope they are. I really like that the power line. They just kind of do.